Ukrainian armed forces have targeted a convoy of 11 military vehicles belonging to the Russian army in the occupied territory of Kherson region. A missile was fired at Ural vehicles carrying ammunition and soldiers of the occupying army. As a result of 3 strikes, the ammunition in the vehicles exploded and 25 Russian invaders were killed. 20 others were injured and 6 trucks were destroyed. The surviving Russians tried to carry their wounded fellow soldiers away from the area.